Hello everyone, ready to set up your new email account with AOL? I'll walk you through the steps to create your very own account in just few taps. Let's dive in. First, open your favorite web browser and type in aol.com. Now, click on sign in. Here, tap on create an account to begin the account creation process. Enter your first and last name in the required fields. This is the name that will appear in your emails. Next, create a unique AOL username. This will be your email address. Make sure it's something easy to remember. Choose a strong password that's hard to guess but easy for you to remember. You'll need this password to log in. Enter your date of birth to confirm your age. Now tap next. Enter your phone number for account recovery and security purposes. Finally, enter the verification code sent to your phone. Hit sign up and your AOL mail account is ready to use. How soon after setting up your new email account do you start using it for all your important emails? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.